Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me already, I'm Anushka and I would love if you guys would subscribe to my channel. So today is a Friday and I really wanted to vlog today's day. To be very honest, अभी afternoon हो गया है क्योंकि सुबह का time में shoot करी थी. But anyway, my husband actually has a holiday today. So we are actually thinking of going and having some delicious seafood boil, which I have been craving since I don't even know how many days. So I really wanted to go and have one. I'm going to this place called Via Bombay in Chembur. I have heard really good things about it. So let's see if it's worth the hype or not. And I'm actually also thinking of vlogging this entire weekend sort of a thing. So let's see how this goes. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do. I make content around beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and obviously vlogs. So I would love if you guys would subscribe to me and support me. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Ready to attack my seafood boil. Guys, अभी गणेश भी पहन रहा है. How are you feeling?
Amazing. Amazing, yeah. अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
I'm not wearing this.
Why you have to wear it?
ये तो मैं खा सकता हूँ.
Oh my god. गणेश खा पाएगा कि नहीं तू? Guys, the food is insane. मैंने ऐसे कभी भी कुछ खाया नहीं है. I'm so excited to take everything in and have everything. Starting off with prawns. बहुत गर्म है. Squid. इतना yummy और एकदम spicy है. Loving it. So good. So yum. इससे हाथ से ही खा रही हूँ मैं. इतना flavorful crab है ना guys. If you're a seafood lover and if you love like crabs, squids, fish in general, then you're gonna love this. You should definitely give it a try. बहुत ही अच्छा है. They very kindly gave us this cute pastry from their end. So sweet. I cannot wait to like have all of it. Guys, मेरी बात नहीं मानी जा रही है. Anyway, the food we had here was so good. It was both of us first time of having seafood boil. And कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छा था. Tasty था. The Kolhapuri gravy was very nice.
Yeah.
Butter garlic was nice, but it was towards the sweeter
side.
end.
हाँ.
तो वो preferable नहीं था हम दोनों के लिए. So it was good.
But the Kolhapuri, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Kolhapuri
curry.
curry. It was so yum. इतना तीखा और spicy था. मेरे नाक में से पानी आने लग गया. It was so yum. अभी हम लोग खाने वाले हैं. ये dessert restaurant ने दिया हुआ है. So let's dig in. I would actually, how much would you rate this meal out of 10?
For 3,000 rupees, I think it's worth it. So 10 on 10. So ऐसा कुछ लगा नहीं कि I was full. और मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि कुछ कम दिया था या फिर there was any lag in their service. सब कुछ everything was proper.
Yeah, even I thought कि हम लोग को थोड़ा कम पड़ेगा एक seafood boil, but the quantity which they give with the rice and everything, it's too good. Definitely, if you are a seafood lover who loves crabs, fish, prawns, squids, everything, you should definitely check this place out. It's amazing. मैं कितने अच्छे से आजकल vlog करने लगी हूँ. Hello, we just got done with our lunch. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मॉल to watch a movie. I'm sweating guys, इतना गर्म हो रहा है. I don't know, बीच में इतने बारिश जैसे लगने लग जाता है, बीच में इतना गर्म होने लग जाता है. It's so weird. The climate in Mumbai is so weird. हम लोग एक मराठी मूवी देख रहे हैं. मूवी का नाम है We are going and watching Ghabad Kund. It's a Marathi movie. It's my first time actually watching a Marathi movie, so I'm very very excited. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me to the mall. Let's go.
कुठं लपून ठेवल्या सोन्याच्या राशी सोनं ते लोक घेतलेल्या कर्जाचं मुद्दल द्यायला झालं मग आमच्याकडे सोनं कुठून यायचंय
Hello, it is the next day. I am actually getting ready for an engagement. I'm wearing this beautiful क्या बोलते हैं इसको, ब्लू स्काई ब्लू कलर का palazzo pants. It's very pretty. Let me show it to you in some time, and you guys can see the pasara right behind me. Let's just ignore that as it is. This is a vlog, so I'm not going to be very like aesthetic or anything. मैं ऐसे ही दिखाने वाली हूँ जैसे है मेरा actual घर and everything. So yeah. Anyway, मैं अभी कर रही थी मेरे बाल, so I just thought of showing you guys my hair care sort of routine. Not actually my hair care routine, but the way I style my hair. So let me show you guys. So first मैं use कर रही हूँ ये Pep Talk Bond Repair Treatment from Raze. This is a very very nice brand for my hair and everything. I think कोई तो सालों का है ये, so I really really like it. मैं इतने 2-3 pumps ले रही हूँ and I'm just going to apply it on the ends of my hair like so. मेरे बाल अभी भी थोड़े गीले ही है, बट गीले बालों पे ही एक्चुअली लगाना होता है, so I'm just doing that. और थोड़ा लगा लेती हूँ because I certainly have a lot of hair, so I'm just going to mix it well in my fingers and then applying it. I think my background is looking too shabby, you guys, but I really can't help it right now. It is what it is, and as it is when we girls get ready, that's how our background looks like, so it's okay. I think it's just normal to keep everything real, so that's what I'm going to do on this vlog. In this next मैं अपने बालों को blow dry करने वाली हूँ, but उसके पहले I'm using this L'Oreal का Extraordinary Serum. I'm just going to take 2 pumps of it. If you have extremely oily hair guys, or oily scalp or anything, please stay away from this serum because this is going to make your hair very chip, but it works for me really well because, to be very honest, I have extremely dry skin, extremely dry hair, so this works like magic for me. But तुम्हारे अगर बाल बहुत ज़्यादा अगर oily है, then I don't think this will work for you, to be very honest. Now taking my blow dry brush. This one is from Pro Touch. And I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Now that my hair is almost 80% dry, I am again going to take the blow dry brush and मैं उसके ऊपर ये barrel add कर रही हूँ so that I can like smoothen and straighten my hair. This is a very convenient tool. It is actually a dupe of the Dyson Airwrap, so if you guys want to check it out, you can definitely do. None of these products are sponsored, by the way, you guys. Anyway, let's do the blow dry. Okay, hair is done. It looks quite nice according to me. अभी मैं लगाने वाली हूँ इसके ऊपर थोड़ा hair growth serum because obviously इतना सारा heat use किया, I don't want to lose all of my hair. So for that I'm using this Kérastase का Anti-Genesis hair fall serum. Very expensive but works like magic. Trust me. I don't even know ये मेरी कौन सी bottle है because I use it all the time. But yeah, I'm just going to use it on my scalp right here, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा और यहाँ पर. Also ये इतना अच्छा smell करता है, oh my god. Actually that is the main reason I use this product because it smells so good, you guys. थोड़ा सा massage कर रही हूँ मेरे scalp में. It is not at all sticky as well, so it's perfect to like apply it after you do your hair as well, and that's what I do all the time. This is how my outfit looks like. I really like the color and मेरे पास एक color की और कोई dress है भी नहीं. I got this from Myntra and yeah, I have not worn my earrings because वो मैं कार में करूँगी just गाड़ी से निकलने के time because then बहुत heavy हो जाते हैं earrings. And I'm also going to wear some bangles in my hands. Also, this is how my makeup looks like. I love how flawless it looks. Anyway, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा late हो रहा है. We need to go. Hello, it is a Sunday. I am almost ready. It is almost, I think, 5 o'clock in the evening, and my husband is going to play football. So मैं घर पे बैठ के actually बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो गई हूँ. So I was thinking of going to a cafe, have like a solo date sort of a situation, and do some work as well. So मैं भी वही कर रही हूँ. I am like casually dressed, बहुत ही ऐसे summer appropriate कपड़े मैंने पहन लिए हैं. And I'm using this lip gloss. This one is from Clinique and it's just so beautiful. इतना अच्छा टिंट छोड़ता है ना मेरे लिप्स पे, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये लिप ग्लॉस. यू कैन चेक इट आउट. दिस वन इज द black honey lip gloss if I'm not wrong. Very good. Anyway, this is how I look like.
Hi Anushka.
Hello, I am currently having my coffee and journaling a bit, and also like planning the entire week, like what kind of videos and all of the content I need to put up in this week. And the coffee is really bad. It's too sweet for my liking, to be very honest. But anyway, I'm sitting here alone. Nobody over here is sitting here alone and having like a solo date. And I feel so sad about this because if you have been on a solo date, you know how empowering it is. It is the best thing ever. I would urge all of you girls to at least take yourself out once at least on a solo date. Trust me, it might be intimidating first 2-3 times, but after that you are going to love your company, and I think that is the best thing ever. Anyway, मैं भी अपना काम खत्म कर लेती हूँ and then I'll catch you guys in some time. Okay, bye. Look who has joined me. Hi, Bol. कैसा था तेरा football match? Okay guys, I am going to end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little weekend vlog and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Okay, bye.